This is one of the most valuable automations you can build for your business. This basically automatically generates a business proposal for your clients, like by the time you get off a call with them. So let me show you exactly how it works. So here's what the system makes. It basically creates this business proposal that gives you the name of the company, like a little bit about what the workflow does, step by step, how you're actually going to build it. It even calculates the cost for you, gives you a full list of deliverables, and then even creates some upsell opportunities here where basically, suggests like either a monthly retainer or like a monthly maintenance fee. So that way you can actually start making more money for your client and start building a long-term relationship with them. And then it just includes a little bit about you, which you can customize to yourself to, again, build that relationship and build your credibility. And so basically this just works on a form submission. You could hook this up to like Google Forms. You could hook this up to Typeform. N8N even has like a little built-in form that you can go ahead and fill in yourself. And if we come in here and look at this, basically, as you are on the phone with your client, you're just going to go through and answer a couple questions like what's, the person's name, what's their business name, what's their specific problem, what does their current process look like, what's their ideal timeline. Of course, you want to know about their budget. What measurable impact or outcome do you expect this project will have? Again, this will give you an idea of how to price it. So basically from there, you just kind of customize this little about you section, and you can kind of just fill this in with whatever the information is about your company that you think your client might want to know. And basically from here, we're just linking all of the information from the form before, and we're just using a system prompt to say you're an AI proposal assistant. Your task is to take a set of client-provided answers and generate the missing data required to fill out a business proposal. And basically, we just tell them kind of like what the placeholders are, and then they're actually going to put it into this format for you to make it this really kind of clean and tidy format. You can just go ahead and make a copy of the template because, of course, you got to make a copy of it. And then here, we're actually just using like a really basic function like find and replace text. And basically, this is like the template. And so basically, all that we're doing is we're just finding every instance where there's like these double brackets, and we're just going to go ahead and replace it with information from the form, essentially. If you want to get access to this workflow and all my resources, I've started a school community. I'll leave a link in the description, and you basically just come into the classroom. And this one's actually in week 4, where I teach you how to build your personal brand, how to establish yourself as an expert, and of course, how to build out all of these automations step by step. You just come down here, come all the way down to the bottom. You can go ahead, grab this proposal generator, download this file, and import this straight into